Are you an electric car owner living in an apartment but unsure of how to charge your vehicle? Don't worry, I've got some tips to help you with this common dilemma. The first option is to check with your apartment management if they offer dedicated electric vehicle charging stations. If they don't, you can explore other alternatives like public charging stations in your area. Some cities have an extensive network of charging stations that you can utilize. Another option is to utilize a portable charger or EVSE that plugs into a regular wall outlet. However, keep in mind that this may take longer to charge your electric car. You can also consider renting a nearby parking spot with access to a power outlet. This way, you can charge your car conveniently and safely within walking distance of your apartment. If you have a dedicated parking spot, you can install a home charging station by consulting an electrician. Before doing this, make sure to seek permission from your apartment management and understand any associated costs.